won the rook. Smart choice. They're kicking off. Hi, this is Grim Blitzo, and welcome. Are you fired up for some MFL football?
Fred, I'm far from the literary, but essentially you just said football. Are you fired up for some mutant football league football?
No, Junior, you said football twice. I said for some MFL football.
He's talking about the effing football.
What about the fucking football? And it's 1st and 10. And the running game is starting to click now. A pickup of 8 on the play.
Whoever said never hit a man when he's down is just plain lazy. Nice extra effort there.
2nd down and 2. He shoveled his feet so well on that play. He should go to line. Oh, no, that was totally unnecessary. I gotta see that one again.
It was also freaking awesome. I hope they have raincoats in the front row, but that was splattering everywhere.
It's hard for the D to call an audible before.
If he shocks you to death, maybe he can.
You don't think he can make the interception? Batting it down is the next best thing.
Great advice, man. That receiver's gonna go far in this league if he listens to you.
I wasn't talking to... never mind. Yes, Frick, he will. And he was stuck to him like glue. 3rd down and 10. Oh, the defender almost picked off the ball on that one. The fans are looking a bit bored. After a quarter with no score, they're cheering on the refs. At least someone's moving the ball. Nice punt. Should move them back nicely. He just let that one drop and played safe, and the defense says, we'll take it. And it's 1st and 10. Oh, the punishing hit. The quarterback goes down. Second down and long. If he calls an audible, is it a dirty trick? Like, didn't your mother ever tell you don't come to the come on, that was a cheap shot. That's why I love this guy. And so do the fans. And that'll bring up 3rd down and...
Typical quarterback, calling an audible because he thinks he's so much.
Oh, man, I love it. That one's incomplete. Receiver couldn't get there. We have got a scoreless defensive struggle. Stay tuned. It's the time you've all been waiting. Seconds left.
Oh, I hate doing that.
And we are back to start the second half in a scoreless snoozer. The teams take the field for the second half kickoff. Yuck! That was... The 4 people on the planet who care about rules and kickoffs must be happy to see a flag down. Let's see if they can keep the momentum going and keep these fans happy and, or bloodthirsty, whichever. And it's 1st and 10. He doesn't like what he sees, so he's calling it off. The runner pulls out a clean shot. open.
Hey, speaking of breaking one wide open, who's sitting on the oil rig about to blow? Hey, smells like an oven baked portage on it. For a freaking fracking accident.
You never know if it's a regular audible or if they're going to call a dirty trick. First down! Oh, no, that guy just took a header right into the... The coach isn't liking that call. Oh, his head just exploded. And that's the end of 3. We are going to the 4th quarter, Bricks, and neither team has scored.
Reminds me of my senior prom.
QB keeps the defense guessing by calling an audible at the line. If you don't hear it coming, he broke free and has open field in front of him. Here comes it. He just got pulverized by a mutant trap.
Timeouts aren't just for offense, Glenn?
Well, they usually are, but sometimes the defense thinks they're helping out in their own special way. And the defense uses their second timeout to stop the clock to preserve time for their offense. He doesn't like what he sees, so he's calling an audible.
Hey, she's the guy with the big axe.
Oh, man, that's the end of his day. You might want to try hurling those traps next time. The defense takes its final timeout. They can't stop the clock anymore, so they'll need to stop the offense. 3rd and 2. That gets me every time. Like a jack-in-the-box, Bricks. You never know when one of those hot potatoes is gonna... And they quickly call a timeout to stop the clock. Here we go, folks. 1st and goal. He was stuffed at the line of scrimmage.
So was that cheerleader.
The quarterback is controlling the clock like the clock is into it. I know I am. The field goal attempt here makes perfect sense. And it's good!
In this league where murder and bribery are cheered, it's not to be good, huh?
The Colts walk away losers. They fought tooth and nail, but in the end lose by 3. It's a... Once again, the folks at Evil...
Today's